Hi, this is Doreen Velin. I thought I'd just take a little stroll today. It's a little estuary here, and it's a beautiful day. We got some sunshine happening, and just on this estuary, beautiful weather, lovely, lovely clean air. And for those of you that are maybe stuck at home right now, not able to get out, or maybe in little apartments, you don't have a good view of nature like this, just come for a little walk with me. I'm going to take you on a little walk, and we're just walk around here. You can imagine yourself smelling this fresh air. It's just so beautiful, so peaceful, the water. Looking at these ducks. They are having fun right now, frolicking in the water. There they are. Just doing their own thing. And so this is coming from an estuary, and it's called Kelowna, Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. So for those of you who think that Canada's full of ice and snow, that is a bit of a fallacy. I think Hollywood never only depicts Canada as being cold and wintry. So we actually have to use fake snow when they do filming up here in Canada. But yeah, it's probably about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and a beautiful day, and it's pretty well almost December. So it's a lovely day at the estuary. All the ducks swimming about, enjoying the water. Oh, there we go. Noisy there. Then go on and have them come now. We're having a good time. Oh, very peaceful, quiet. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's the males that have to show off for the females. But if you want to look up melon, you'll see how beautiful they are. So thank you for joining me and take you on another little walk. So tune in again. See you later. It's Doreen from YouTube. Doreen Velin. Bye-bye.